Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Usetale. So today I decided to make one of the most requested video. You guys have been asking me to make video on how I made my tailor's ball. I always call it a tailor's ball, but I just recently realized that it's actually called a tailor's ham. So if you're interested in seeing how I made this ham for ironing my bustier and corset, keep on watching this video and let's go straight to the tutorial. Welcome back guys. For this tutorial I'll be making use of this black and purple crepe fabric, as you already see in the picture. So that's what I'll be using for this tutorial, and to do that I'm going to start off by cutting the black. You can see I have a square fabric. I'm going to fold it together like this, then I'll fold it together again. So I folded the fabric into 4. Okay, so that's what you're going to have. So guys, after you're done doing that, you're just going to go ahead to cut out the circle. So I'll be using 3.5 to cut out this circle. You can decide to use 4, 5 depending on how big you want your ball to be. So you're just going to keep marking your 3.5 till you create a circle like something. Then when you are done doing this, you're going to go ahead to cut it out. Okay, so this is what I have after I was done cutting. You can see I have my circle. So right now I'm going to be using this black one to cut the same thing on the purple fabric. So I'm just going to open up my fabric, then I'll place the black on it and use it to trace it out. So guys, this is what I had after I was done tracing. You can see right now I have the 2 round fabric. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take this to the sewing machine. I'll place it together like this, then I'm going to sew it all around. Then I will leave a space of about 2.5 to 3 inches where I'll be flipping it from. So I'm just going to take this to the sewing machine now and sew it. So guys, this was what I had after I was done sewing it together. Okay, so I'm just going to cut the threads. You can see, so this is what I have. Look at the space I say you're going to leave. So right now I'm just going to cut out this excess black fabric. So I'm going to go ahead now to flip it to the right side. So guys, this is what you're going to have after flipping it to the right side, guys. So this is it. So right now I'm going to go ahead and bring all the pieces that I'm going to be putting inside. You can see guys, so you're just going to pack as many pieces as you can. So you just pack your pieces together. So these pieces now I'm going to be putting them inside this fabric that I just sewn. So I'm just going to go ahead now to start putting the pieces inside. Okay, so guys, this is it. You're just going to keep putting the pieces inside and inside and inside until this our ball is, you know, thick and firm. Okay, so you're just going to keep doing this. So guys, this is what I had after I was done packing all the pieces inside. Okay, you can see how thick and round the ball is. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to bring my hand needle and thread. Okay, so I'm going to thread it. I'll be using that to sew the open parts that you see there. So that's what I'm going to go ahead to do right now. So you're just going to put the pieces fabric inside very well, then you are going to go ahead to sew it together. Okay, so guys, this is what I had after I was done sewing. You can see our tailor's ham is ready. So with this now you'll be able to iron your corset bustier effortlessly. So guys, let me know what you think about the video in the comment section. Let me know if you are going to be making your very own tailor's ham for your bustier and corset. Thank you all for watching.